Good morning, students. My name is Mr. Raj. This is the fifth part of physics. Already we have started the chapter number first. So today the topic is electric field. Student, electric field is also known as electric field intensity. So without wasting time, I'm just going to start electric field. So what is electric field? It is a region around a charge. Okay. So already we had discussed in the definition of a charge. What is the definition of charge? Fundamental intrinsic property due to which a force acts. So if a charge is present, suppose this is the conductor, if a charge is present, it will apply force. But when it apply force, when we are around the charge, okay, because the charge is having field around it having a field around it. So I am taking one charge. Suppose this is positive charge. So region around this charge means region around this charge is known as electric field for positive and for negative. Now this electric field is radically outward direction for positive charge, and for negative charge it is radically inside. It is same like magnet. If this is a magnet, this is north pole, this is south pole. Magnetic field from north pole it is outside, and from south the magnetic field is inside. Similarly, if we have positive charge, electric field is outside, and for negative charge electric field is inside. Same to same concept. Okay, so first of all we have to cover what is a definition. It is a space created around a charge. It is a space created around a charge. Now what is this space? When we are going close inside the space or we are going near the space, what will happen? It exerts force. Suppose we have a positive charge here, so positive repulsion, so the force is repulsion. If we put a negative charge here, now positive negative attraction. Okay, so it is depending on the charge, which type of charge we are presenting here. Okay, but electric field for positive it is always outside, but force is either inside either outside. It is depending on the charge. Okay, so what is the formula? The formula is electric field is equals to force upon charge. How we get this? By the definition. What is the definition? The charge will exert force when we are inside the field. So charge exert force inside the field. Okay, so what is the SI unit of a electric field? Force is calculating in Newton and charge is calculated as Coulomb. So Newton upon Coulomb. Now understanding this topic with the help. Okay, so suppose this positive charge, this is a positive charge I am taking here. Now this positive charge exert the electric field always radically outside direction. Okay, now what happened? I have take a positive charge, another positive charge, and the charge is inside the field. So this is the field and I am putting a positive charge inside this electric field. So what will happen? As we know, this charge will apply electric field outside. So negative repulsion, the force is outside. Field is outside and the force is also outside. Now see, here electric field is directly proportional to force. Electric force is in same direction and force is also in same direction. So now understanding through one more topic. Now suppose I am taking a negative charge here. What will happen? The electric field is inward direction. These all are inward. Okay, and I am putting here a positive charge. So negative charge exert the field in that direction, means inward, and this negative and this positive will exert force attraction. So electric field and force are in same direction. So the charge which means flow the field. Okay, this charge will exert the field or this charge will having their field. That kind of charge is called source charge. Source charge. The charge will exert field. The charge which emit field is called source charge, and the charge on which force is acting, either the charge will thrown out or either the charge will attract. So this kind of charge is called test charge. Okay, So what is called test charge? Test charge are those charge which experience force, either attraction, either repulsion. And one more thing, always remember, test charge is always positive and the magnitude is 1 coulomb. Magnitude is 1 coulomb. It is always positive and the magnitude is always 1 coulomb. Now note to be important here, we have two notes. Suppose the charge is positive, suppose this charge is positive and we have a positive source charge. If both the charges are positive, this source charge exert the field in outward direction. So this positive repulsion, force is outside and field is also from the source charge is outside, both are same. So we can understand, if the charge is positive, then force and field are in same direction. See, source charge exert field outside and the charge experience force outside. Okay, suppose if the charge is negative and source charge is positive, so this source charge exert the field outside, and positive negative, this charge experience force inside. So what will happen? Both are in opposite direction. So I can say, if the test charge is negative, the field and the force are in opposite direction. Okay, so this is the concept of a electric field. I hope this is clear. Okay, now students, now we have two charges. This is a source charge, this is test charge. Now if I want to calculate the force between two, so between two charge there is always Coulomb force. So what is the formula for Coulomb force? F is equals to K, this is Q, so Q1, Q2 and distance between them. Suppose I am taking this, the distance between these two is R. Okay, so I am continuing with the topic. Now see, the force between them is F is equals to K. This is a source charge, this is a test charge, and distance between is R square. Now we have seen the formula of electric field. What is the field formula? E is equals to F upon Q. Now put this value of force here and charge, and what is this? This is a test charge. Now this charge cancel. We have, now what we get? KQ upon R square. So this is the another formula. This is the another formula of electric field. So definitely we have two formulas for electric field. First formula is E is equals to F upon Q, and second, if distance is given, KQ by R square. So we have two formula. For positive it is outside, for negative it is inside. So you can understand with the help of this example. Suppose students, we have this positive charge, and here we are standing outside at point P, and from the point P the charge distance is R. So what is the field we have discussed right now? It is depending on the formula. E is equals to KQ. Now this charge is Q and distance is R, so put KQ by R squared from this formula. What is the value of charge? Positive Q, so put it here, positive Q. Okay, so KQ by R squared. And what is the direction? Because we know electric field is a vector quantity, so the direction is electric field, this source charge direction is outside, so from the point give the direction outside. Okay, now similarly, if I have a negative charge and the distance is same, I have to calculate a electric field at point P. From this point distance is R. What is the formula? Same formula, K. Now the charge is Q and distance is R square. But what is the direction? Now this negative charge is radically inward, so from the point the electric field is inside. Okay, so what is the meaning of, to understand, for positive charge the direction is outside, for negative charge the direction is inside. So I have written here radically outward and radically inward. So we have an example. Suppose we have a plus 4 coulomb charge and we are standing here at point P. Suppose we are standing here at point P from 2 meter away. Okay, so we have a positive charge and we are standing away 2 meter. What is the electric field we are in? If I am standing here, what field I am experiencing here? So the distance is 2 meter. What is the formula? KQ by R square. The value of Q is 4. Put it here, 4. K is 9 into 10 to the power 9. Distance is 2. So put it, R square means 2 square. Cancel it, 4 into 4, 9 10 to the power 9 is the answer. Okay. Suppose if I have a negative charge, so put it here, negative 4. Negative 4, the answer will be negative. This negative shows the direction is inside. Okay, so plus minus indicates the direction, but the value is as it is. The value gives the magnitude and plus minus gives the direction. So I think students, I have to stop it here. Thank you.